Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Monday, and we're at the 12th of August, 2019, just approaching 9:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. So what we get today in the futures markets is we're going to get the grain reports, the USDA, WASDE, supply-demand reports. We're going to get the adjustment at the same time. This happens at 11 in the morning. The adjustment to corn acreage, the estimate's about 87 million barrels. We're seeing the stock markets down today sharply, and this is in part, they're saying, due to the Hong Kong situation where all the flights in and out of Hong Kong, well, I know the ones taking off were canceled, but I've heard a few did land that were on their way, but they're obviously canceling those that they can cancel to not come in. But supposedly tomorrow it's going to go back to a normal flight schedule if the protesters leave the airport. And it's getting to be a very tense situation there. Keep your eye on the dollar. Is the dollar starting to display more weakness than one would think? Nothing new to report on the pound. Parliament returns, and as I understand, around September 5th, there's going to be a debate, and shortly after that, a vote on confidence in the government and which way they're headed. In the grain market, we had rain over the weekend. A lot of rain hit Iowa, putting the market down 6 3/4 cents. Now back to the financials. Look at these bonds and notes. They're relentless in the rally. And while we got a bounce off today's lows of 120 points at this point in the crude, the market has still got its own set of problems in demand, and we're waiting to see how much the Saudis want to cut everything. In looking at research, today's going to be an important day if you're a grain trader and an important day in the meats. You're limit down in the cattle and the hogs right now. Tyson had a major fire at a very large packing facility, and that facility, they're not even giving a date it can reopen. They're trying to move workers around and get into a makeshift area that they did have contingencies on. They're not going to work for the cash market, though, which is limit offered in feeder cattle and fat. We talk about that and a lot more throughout the day as to what's going on. And of course, I cover the financial markets in a major way via my own research for people. But if you'd like to get this, you can choose the different categories you'd want to see from our firm. We won't keep you on the list unless you have an account with us. How do you get a free trial? It's pretty simple. Call my staff. They'll be happy to work with you. You can go to our website, sign up for the free offers, and remember, there is a silver report that I published. It's a video report. It'll come off Wednesday, first thing on Wednesday. So if you want to see what I wrote about, well, actually, I didn't write, I videoed it. So it's all different reports on seasonal studies, quarterly, monthly, weekly, daily, and a good prognosis that Bloomberg put together on the different phases silver goes into based on where the world economies are right now. So I bring that into the report as well. Go to our website, www.iraepstein.com. To view that, go under the word education. You'll see Ira's mornings. You'll see Ira's special metal report. I said that one wrong. Click on it and you can view it right there. 2 more days of it. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a good day, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.